Hey guys, today I'm gonna show quickly how to open a Audi A3 key. This is a 2008 model. Maybe will be the same for a few different Audis as well. So if you need to change your battery, all you gotta do is on the left hand side of the key, there's a little tab here. Just press it up and then the cover will pop away. And then lift it up like so. And there you go, simple as that. This battery is a CR2032. So this is it, guys. And then to close, just place it back on and then press it, and you can hear it clicking, and that is it. You can even open it with your nail. There you go, simple as that. And then just close it. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye bye.